Welcome back, everyone. Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson here. We've had a pretty nice start to the work week, a nice start to the first full week of August. It's actually been a little cooler than it normally is for this time of year, and it kind of felt like fall in some places, especially. Look at Bluefield. The high today, 72 degrees. Very cool again for early August. Beckley at 74. Mullins, my weather watcher there, a little bit warmer. He was at 83, had more of an easterly wind, and that's what happens along and east of I-77 especially. You can get cooler temperatures. You can get warmer temperatures west of the interstate, some of those lower elevations. Plus, that wind will just go over that side of the mountains. If it's coming out of the east, once it goes down that other side, it will compress, warm, and dry out west of the interstate out toward the coal fields. That's why we'll have sometimes a bit of a difference. But overall, most of us below normal for this time of year, comfortable. The other thing is it's not humid. The dew points are low, in the 40s and 50s. This is very comfortable, refreshing air out there. It's not too sticky. Now, I do think the humidity will gradually rise in the coming days, so not exactly like today when we're talking about tomorrow. I think we'll have a little bit more moisture around, but overall, temperatures look to stay on the cooler side, too, over the next few days. Not a bad next few days at all. Now, I do think we're going to grow a little unsettled overnight. You can see some cloud cover trying to move in now. Most of the evening does look dry. The only thing we've really had to worry about above our heads today is some of that smoke, that wildfire smoke, creating some of that haze at times. We've still got a little bit of that over the area. We'll still see some more of that into Tuesday, too, but it's not quite as thick as it's been, and it does thin out a little bit more through midweek, so it shouldn't be as persistent by the time midweek rolls around. The next few days, too, rain chances do stay relatively low. Tomorrow, our Tuesday, looking like the wettest day of the week. We've got this stalled front just to our southeast. High pressure also battling for control, so no day is going to be a washout, but we'll be just close enough to this frontal boundary, areas of low pressure along it, to bring us some showers and storms. We'll see some into tomorrow, on and off throughout the day. Let's take a close look at Futurecast, and you can see this. The cloud cover rolls in tonight. We stay pretty quiet tonight, though. We're in the 50s and 60s. And then tomorrow, we'll see some showers and some thunderstorms. Could see some during the morning, maybe some heavier pockets of rain, but severe weather not looking likely. And by tomorrow night, we're pretty quiet. I think Wednesday, besides a stray shower, looks quiet, too. And generally, again, cooler temperatures in the coming days, but still pretty low rain chances. As I mentioned, thinking tomorrow looks like the wettest day of the week. Rain chances stay pretty low the rest of the week. And again, cool, less humid, at least through the next few days. It's toward the weekend that we start to warm back up again. So we're talking about below average temperatures at least through Thursday. Then we'll start to get some heat, humidity back for the weekend, those 80s eventually working back in through the weekend and into next week. Rain chances staying pretty low, though, besides these spotty pop-up showers and storms. Hey, it's that time again. This week's Meteorology Monday consists of a severe weather element that we don't see often, but is definitely even possible in the mountains. Meteorologist Catherine Maxwell dives into tornado.